Welcome to the second edition of DHAL Lahore online auction portal. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to register as a user and start exploring premium properties available for online auction. On the main landing page, click Register Now. Create your account by selecting registration type. If you are registering as an agency, a company, or organization, click here. Enter company name, NTN number, agency representative name, email address, agency representative phone number, and your 13-digit CNIC or NICOP number. For individual users, click here to register using your personal details. If you are overseas Pakistani, make sure to tick the box. Click Next to continue. Secure your account, create a strong password, confirm it, and complete the security check. Click Create Account. Verify your account. An OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your registered email and mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your account. You're now successfully registered. Log in to access your personalized user dashboard, where you can use interactive maps and price range filters to find the perfect property. Browse exclusive residential and commercial plots, explore premium apartments. Start your journey today with the DHAL Lahore auction portal, where premium opportunities meet trusted digital convenience.